But here at home, Dan, you know, we did see some snow on Highway 17 earlier last week.
Plenty of it, yeah.
Quite amazing.
Making things pretty slippery out there. You've seen a lot of scenes like this. Just looking at this was our Maxwell Glenn. He was up in Santa Clara, I believe, yesterday. This is what the mountains look like around the Bay Area, too. And this is what it looked like here locally. We still have snow up on our peaks here on the Central Coast today as we take a live look from Domenico's on the Wharf. You can't see any snow right now, but if it was daytime, we might still be able to see that little snow-capped peak of Mount Toro in the background there, as we were able to see it toward the end of the week. And there it is from the other view, but this is from this afternoon, or actually this evening, right as the sun was setting. Still some snow up there. I mean, it was likely, you know, 4 to 6 inches up there, maybe even more up on Mount Toro. Outside of Salinas, we saw a report of 11 inches up in the Santa Cruz Mountains, and probably even more in some of our higher peaks of the Santa Lucias and the Diablo Range, where people aren't really inclined to go necessarily unless you have to get to like a transmitter site or something. But either way, still some snow on the peaks, and we're going to add more to it as we head into the work week, believe it or not. Today's temperatures were not too bad. It was cloudy for most of the day, but we did get into the 50s in many locations. Still about 10 to 15 degrees below normal for this time of year, though. We have been there for quite some time. At the moment, mostly 40s out there. We still have a lot of clouds. We have dipped to 39 in Boulder Creek. You're starting to clear out, and we are going to get a gap in the clouds tonight, which will allow temperatures to cool off just a bit and might get a little bit chilly in some areas, including the coastal areas, which could get down to around 40 degrees. So it's going to be a chilly night overnight. Lows expected to be below normal for this time of year. Now our cold front is moving out. We're on the tail end of it right now, back edge of it, I should say, and it is continuing to move to the east. And we'll continue to see some precipitation from Monterey Bay south and eastward here over the next several hours. But as we zoom out, we're going to get a little gap in the next pack of clouds before the next storm system, which is rapidly developing here off of the Oregon coast, makes its way down the coast toward us. A cold front with it will be fairly powerful, with gusty winds, embedded thunderstorms, and heavy rainfall. So this thing's going to come in with a bluster tomorrow afternoon, and it will be stronger than what we had today, to the point where I'm actually concerned we could see some downed trees and power lines. Maybe not widespread, but certainly could be an issue. Now, there are no official alerts for that from the Weather Service, but we do have a gale warning that goes into effect at 9 a.m. tomorrow through 3 p.m. on, I should say, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. tomorrow for the near coastal waters, including the Bay, with wind gusts up to 35 knots. I actually think we could see wind gusts 40 to maybe 50 miles per hour for coastal cities tomorrow, especially if we get some of those embedded thunderstorms. So maybe tie up the garbage cans if tomorrow's your garbage day. We also have some winter weather alerts in place, though, for the higher terrain of the Diablos, the Gabelins, Chelam Hills down south, and of course the Santa Lucia range. So more snow expected on our peak. Snow level is going to be around 3,000 feet for the next couple of days. But above that, we could get a few more inches of snow, certainly, on top of everything. So the computer model was really fast with that weather system that came through today. It was supposed to be almost come and gone by early evening, but here we are still getting rain across much of the region, and it already has us out of here. So computer model, you're not doing very well, but I still am fine with the solution for what we're going to see tomorrow. So let's focus on that, because I think that's more important at this point, which is some light precipitation developing tomorrow morning, but the bulk of the system really coming in tomorrow afternoon with some blustery winds. This is lunchtime tomorrow. Look at all the moderate to heavy rain out there. And as I mentioned, there is some potential for an embedded thunderstorm, which could increase the rainfall rates, make the winds even gustier, and of course make some small hail, and then there's lightning associated with it as well. So while I don't expect widespread thunderstorms, an embedded thunderstorm within the line will certainly be possible, and that could enhance some of the effects as it comes through. Beyond it, it's going to be cold and windy for the rest of the day tomorrow, and then we will see rounds of showers late tomorrow through Tuesday, through Wednesday, as the cold air mass continues to circulate through the region. So lots more to work with this system. It's going to be a couple of cold, blustery days. Rainfall tomorrow, I think rainfall amounts were kind of underdone with today's system. I think we could see up to an inch for cities around the Bay if you get one of the heavier downpours over you. Most areas probably between a half an inch and 3/4 of an inch, and in the coastal mountains 1 to 2 inches just tomorrow. We'll add on to that with additional showers as we head through the next couple of days. We'll also add on to the snow again. It's going to stick over the higher terrain. Can't rule out some snowflakes getting lower than 3,000 feet, but most of the snow is going to be up higher than that up in the mountains, which are already snow covered at the moment. Let's take a look at those temperatures. Here's what I'm expecting for the next several days. Well, tomorrow at least. 50 in Santa Cruz, 40s up in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Another very chilly one. How about 42 for a high in Bonnie Doon tomorrow? Man, you folks haven't had a warm day in quite some time. Put another log on the fire, I suppose. 51 in the Dale of Prunes tomorrow. Salinas just a degree warmer. How about Monterey? Tomorrow could be one of our hot spots at 53. The reason is you'll have southerly winds tomorrow, which downslopes you off the hills there and could bring you to the lofty high of 53, which is a full 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. And then southward we go, the Salinas Valley, a couple more 53s showing up there, Soledad, Greenfield, but that's about as warm as it's going to get. Will be cloudy, it'll be windy, and it'll be stormy tomorrow. So here's that 7-day forecast. There you go on Monday. It's going to be an afternoon for us, that's for sure. And then showers, rounds of them, Tuesday into Wednesday. All the while temperatures kind of hovering in the low 50s on average. Now, Thursday morning, once we clear out, it'll be cold, but by the afternoon, it'll feel nicer. In fact, we'll start getting closer to normal by Friday and then abruptly bring that to a halt as the next round of systems comes in next weekend. But at least we got a couple of dry days in there to enjoy. Inland areas also more of the same for the next couple of days. The best rain will be tomorrow, then just showers Tuesday, Wednesday. A cold morning expected Thursday. Could be looking at frost and freeze issues. Slightly warmer, though, as we head into the weekend.
All right, thanks so much for that, Dan.